Hello everyone, in this video I share how you can convert your old Nigerian stew to Nigerian vegetable stew, which we call EFORIRO, a Nigerian kind of delicacy where they use a tomato base with fresh grain to prepare a delicacy you can eat with pounded yam, fufu, eba, amala, semo, any kind of swallow, even rice, yam and everything. So here is the stew. First I have to heat it up. This is a palm oil stew. I use chicken with it, but it's an old stew. I had it in my freezer for some time, so I decided to convert it into a vegetable soup. So first of all, you need to get your grain. This is efotete, green vegetable, but you can use efoshoko, the other kind of colored one, or you can use ugu leaves or spinach or kale for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and slice it, but I have to remove the hard stem first before slicing the softer part and the leaves. So after slicing, I'm going to wash it with hot water or belch it. If you check my other vegetable soup recipe I have on my channel, EFORIRO, I have about 2 EFORIRO recipes on this channel. You see how to belch vegetable before adding it into your stew to make the EFORIRO soup or the vegetable stew. One thing about this vegetable stew is that it is usually served in parties or special occasion like Christmas, traditional wedding, African naming ceremony, any form of get together. EFORIRO is always a hit, and it goes so well with pounded yam or any form of swallow, even with rice it goes well. So I have finished slicing the grain. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a large bowl so that I can add the hot water to pre-cook it. The reason for this process is to remove the chlorophyll, because when you do this, when you pour the hot water on the leaf and leave it for some minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes, you see that the water will turn almost red. So while we are waiting, let's go ahead and continue with the cooking of the stew. I added iru. This is locust beans. I love how it usually tastes in soup, so I added some fresh pepper that I have grounded. The thing is that this stew is not as spicy as I want. Maybe that's why I couldn't even eat it. It's not spicy. I love spicy food, so I have to grind extra scotch bonnet pepper to add to it. So after that, I let it cook for some minutes. Now I'm adding a little bit of seasoning cube, just half seasoning cube. This will enhance the taste because we are adding more water and more vegetable to it. So after that, you can see the vegetable is belched, is a little bit softer than how it is. Now the next thing we're going to do is combine everything and let it just cook for like 1 to 2 minutes, and it is ready. Nigerian vegetable stew is always a hit. Like I said, it is delicious. You can serve your friends and family, and you can also eat it for your health benefits. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment. What recipe would you want me to recreate for you? Just leave a comment, type it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to all the comments. So this is the outcome. It tastes so amazing. It is fully cooked now, ready to get off the heat. And guys, voila, this is how we convert an old stew to a new one. Very, very easy. This happens in most Nigerians' home. This is also a way to save money. Like I say, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have African dishes, African food recipes, African healthy drinks for weight loss, so delicious, African Nigerian street food, and other recipes. I would love to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.